Is the human resources analytics actually worth it? And should you learn HR analytics if you want to stand out in today's job market? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if this course is right for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you're planning to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus can be a better option. You get access to thousands of courses under one plan, including many HR and data-related programs. I've linked it below if you want to check it out. Now let's start with the basics. This course is offered by the University of California, Irvine. It has over 170,000 learners enrolled and a solid rating of around 4.6 from more than 2,000 reviews. It's beginner-friendly and takes only about 7 hours to complete, so you can finish it pretty quickly. What makes this course different is the focus on data. Instead of traditional HR topics, this course teaches you how to use data to make better HR decisions. You'll learn how to identify useful data sources, build HR metrics, and apply analytics to real business problems. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll understand employee performance metrics, workforce planning, and how data can improve employee engagement and retention. You'll also learn how HR teams use dashboards and analytics to support company strategy. This is especially valuable because HR is becoming more data-driven. Now, who is this course best for? If you are already familiar with basic HR concepts, this is a great next step. It's also useful if you are interested in people analytics or want to move into data-driven roles. Now, let's keep it real. This is a short course, so it won't make you an expert. You won't learn advanced tools like Python or deep analytics techniques here. But it gives you a strong foundation and helps you understand how HR analytics works in real organizations. So, is this Coursera HR analytics course worth it? If you want to understand how data is used in HR and build a modern skill set, then yes, it's definitely worth it. Especially as a quick, beginner-friendly introduction. If you want to explore the course or check current offers, you'll find the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest course reviews like this.